Hello everyone, welcome to PW. Good evening everyone. Please let me know by writing in the comment section whether audio and video everything is perfect or not. So this session is live and today I am going to tell you some very important updates as well as one very important thing that every student is looking for, that is how to get the top rank and the complete blueprint to get the top rank. Okay, so in this session I am going to discuss each and everything in detail. Let us first discuss about a top rank. All of you are willing to get top rank. Of course, that will going to change your future. If you are planning for MTech or you are planning to move towards the public sector units, a better placement, all will have a one key: to have a better knowledge. Your subject knowledge must be as in depth as possible, because that is the only key for your upcoming future success. Okay, so let us first discuss about how to get the top rank and what is the real formula to get the top rank. Please let me know by writing in the comment section, Bitaji, that audio and video everything is going perfect to you. Audio, video, everything is perfect. ESC mock is already going on. Okay, great. So see, the first and the most important thing is to understand the concept. GATE or engineering services examination, even any PSU, is totally focused on the concepts. Never they are going to ask the same question which is being already asked in the previous year, but the concepts are repetitive. So first of all, you have to focus on concept, and especially those questions which are already asked in PYQs you must have to understand the concept behind the PYQs. You have to understand the soul behind each and every PYQ question. Okay, and then revision. So see, revision is very important, because if you do lots of revision, then your marks automatically goes up, because revision itself act as a fuel for your concept, remembering the things as well as apply onto the upcoming questions. Is it okay? Then most important is test. Whatever concept you are able to understand, whether you are able to apply those concepts while solving the numericals or the problems or not. So that is very important. If your concept is crystal clear, you will be able to solve the questions in the test. But if some of the portion you are unable to understand something, you are unable to understand a particular concept in depth, then maybe you stuck while solving the question in test. So this test is a self-analysis, and it will provide you, actually it is a self-guidance. It is going to provide you a guidance what particular topics are still need to be focused. Okay, so this test plays the most important role to improve your marks and to move you from the average range to the top rank. Is it okay? And test analysis is needed, because you are able to identify what are the weakness or what are the weak points you are unable to understand or unable to apply while solving the questions during the test. But that analysis is needed. What is your weakness and how you can improve that weakness? What are the topics you need to do the revision again? What are the topics you need to understand once again? Is it okay? So all those things will be able, you will be able to do the analysis of the test. After analyzing the test, only you are able to understand what are your weaknesses, and then only you will identify how to remove those weaknesses. Is it okay? Whether they may be in the concept, maybe while solving the questions you are focusing some kind of difficulties, language of the questions. Sometimes what happened, student unable to understand what actual things are going to be asked in the question. So all these kind of things you will be rectified after the analysis of the test. So tests are very important. Don't just prepare. If you are actually preparing for the GATE, now your preparation need to evolve. Every day you have to move ahead. Every day you have to move ahead. So what is the roadmap to reach onto the top in terms of rank I'm talking about? So first is clear your concept. Whatever you are learning, your prime focus is to understand its operating principle, how the things are going on. Let us suppose if someone is from the mechanical or civil branch, and suppose if you are studying strength of material, how the trusses will work, what are the important conditions for the trusses. Someone is from the electrical branch, suppose, then for the electrical student you have to understand, if someone is studying electrical machine, then how the motor is operating, what is the how the rotating magnetic field of the induction machine can be controlled, what is the role of frequency. These kind of things must be need to be understand. Is it okay? Same for the electronics, need to understand if you are focusing on to the EDC or analog, what is Fermi level, how the energy band is changing. So these are the very important. Just I am telling you have to first focus on the concept clearance, and how to do the concept, how to clear the concept. You have to understand the working principle of each and every devices, each and every part of the machines, or a particular how to solve a particular question. You have to focus on that. After that you have to go with the practice. You have to do as many practice questions as possible, and that should be a different type. Don't go with just a plus b whole square. If you are going every time with the same kind of question, with the same kind of concept, then it will not evolve your concept, it will not evolve your preparation. So you have to understand that you have to move every time, you have to try to do the new questions. Is it okay? So while practicing, you have to practice the concept based questions. PYQ is the best source that can feed your knowledge, that can give you a practice starting of your practice, and later on you can move to the practice sheets and your DPPs, daily practice sheets, and so on. Okay. After that, the strategy of testing, you have to go to the tests. Subject wise test, first go with the subject wise test, and those subject which you have already prepared, only then you can do the analysis, what particular portion you have to focus. And then the most important is how to attempt your GATE paper, and that can only be learned by going multiple full length test series. Because once you complete your syllabus, you have to go through the multiple full length test series to understand what particular exam pressure and how to deal it, how to select the questions, what much of time we have to spend if some question is a little bit tough. If 10 questions you are able to you are unable to attempt, then how to tackle the 11th question and onward questions. So all these kind of strategies only possible if you are going with a full length test series. Okay. After 80% of the syllabus coverage, you can move towards your full length test series. Okay. Great. Someone is asking, sir, question solve. Okay. If you are unable to solve the questions, means somewhere you are getting stuck in the concept. You have to go. Let us suppose you are trying some question. You are unable to solve that particular question. It means you are unable to understand the concept in depth, or you are unable to recall the concept. So what you can do, you can just observe from which particular topic that particular question belongs to, and you have to go to that particular topic. Is it okay? Before moving towards the solving the questions, first give 30 or 45 minutes for the revision part. Okay. Suppose someone is completed digital electronics. Okay. Then if you are moving towards solving the particular questions of the digital electronics, then first 30 or 40 minutes you have to do the revision of your full notes, and then try to solve the questions. Is it okay? That will help you. Even you will be able to understand from what particular topic that particular question belongs to. You are unable to solve, then you have to observe the theory related to that, and again reattempt the particular question. After that only you have to visit the solution part. Okay. So this, if you are going to apply, this is what we call now. It's a kind of self motivation that I am able to solve this problem and I will do that. Try to spend some time. Is it okay? After that only you have to move to the solution part. So this will help you to understand the question in a better way. Now let us talk about what is the secret. See, the secret of the success is only in the loop. And what is the loop? You have to build the strong concept, then move towards the test and face the challenge to solve the questions, whatever you have learned. Analyze if you find any kind of difficulty. Then again go to the particular topic. Try to understand why you are unable to solve the question and then fix it. Try to understand the particular concept again. Repeat it again. Learn the required portion which you are unable to fix. Then again you have to require to learn the particular concept. Is it okay? Now in this loop, you have to move concept by concept ahead and then subject by subject ahead. Is it okay? So if you are in this particular loop now, no one can stop your rank. No one can stop your rank. Most of the time, the biggest mistake that a student will do now, you are going through the test, you are trying to solve the question, but if after 2 or 3 questions, if you are unable to solve more number of questions now, then you lose your interest. And as soon as you lose your interest, you stop studying further. Whatever time you have given to watching the lectures, making the notes, all get waste. Why? Because you have already you have built in your mind that you are going to lose. Such kind of negative thought comes in the mind. Okay, so how to avoid from this particular kind of negative thought? You have to try to solve the question. If you are not able to solve the question, don't lose your interest. It means today you are going to learn something in a more deeper, something in a more accurate way. Maybe some concept or the alignment of the concept is not in your mind. That is going to be aligned if you are going to repeat the particular thing. Is it okay? So make yourself positive, because now you are able to understand your difficulty, difficulty of the concept which you are unable to understand. You can now fix it. Instead of losing interest in a particular subject, you have to force yourself to learn that particular concept. Is it okay? So if you are in this, definitely your accuracy goes up, and if accuracy goes up, no one can stop your rank. Is it okay? So now very important thing is 2026 Engineers Mahotsav. Most of you are already aware for the Engineers Mahotsav. Great. So we are celebrating our 4-year Engineer Mahotsav. We are celebrating with all our top rankers, and we have some important things for you as well. Now please see. Just a minute. So our journey and the success of students are unstoppable. This one point of source from past 4 years, we are trying to serve the student as much up to the highest possible level, and I am very happy that we have achieved that particular thing. So in this 4-year unstoppable journey, we got most of the top rankers, under 10, 18 plus rank, under 50, 47 plus rank, and under 100, 75 plus students. GATE 2026 result is this. If we talk about all the 4 years, the number is very high. So this is just for the GATE 2026. And how this result we are able to achieve? Because of the students. Because of the students. Yes, they are able to understand that loop of study. If you are able to understand that loop of study, no one can stop you to become a poster boy in the next particular GATE or engineering services upcoming exam. Okay. If we talk about FastTrack GATE 2027 course, so on this Engineers Mahotsav, we are launching some FastTrack course for those students who are planning for GATE 2027 and already they have a little bit knowledge or already they have qualified, and now they want to improve their rank to get a better opportunity or opportunity towards your PSUs. Okay. So this batch is starting from 21st of September, GATE 2027, and the price is further dropped up to 4,000 rupees. So someone is asking, sir, I have taken this at 6,000, now it is 4,000. Definitely you have taken, so you have a sufficient time and you have studied accordingly. But those students who are now going to take, they have to run little bit faster. But still, if you are able to run little bit faster, you can score what you are dreaming for. So fast track batch GATE 2027, it's a Hinglish batch for chemical, for civil, mechanical, EE, EC or DA. It's a 5 months to go, and ab preparation fast karo, because now the time is going on, so you must need to increase your speed as much as possible. You have to increase your speed. Okay, you have to increase your speed. You can ask whatever doubts you have, what you are planning for. Definitely I will suggest you. What are the features for this GATE 2027 English batch? So this batch 2027 live classes by the top faculties, MCQ, MSQ, NAT type practice questions. So same pattern which GATE opted, the same pattern and same kind of style of questions you are going to face. PYQs with a video solution. So mostly what happened is student able to understand the solution, text solution, but unable to understand the soul of the question asked in the PYQ. Already I told you, they are not going to ask the same question, but the concept may be repetitive. Almost 50% of the concepts of PYQs are repetitive, but for that you must need to understand the concept behind the PYQ questions. Is it okay? And for that, your video solution is going to give you a great help. Structured lecture, test planner, subject wise test and practice sheets, full length mock test. So dedicated doubt support as well. See, in online it is very easy to discuss the doubt. Okay. Next, let us talk about your ChipCraft. Some of the students from PS or ECE, even EE, those students who are willing to make their career in VLSI. So we have a new placement course is now live, and this course is going to start from 28th of September 2026. But because of the seats, you have to enroll yourself faster. In ChipCraft VLSI placement course, this course is going in English, 3 years of course validity. So this course will having 3 years of validity, and on the Engineers Mahotsav we are offering this only for 10,000. Okay. What are the features of the ChipCraft VLSI placement course? So classes by VLSI industry expert, hands-on industry practice tools online, real world capstone projects, placement focused learning resource buildings, interview preparation and guidance. You will also get the interview guidance, front end and back end, entire coverage, live recorded classes, weekly practice sheet, and last but not the least, most important, you are going to get certificate of completion by PW. So you have completed this VLSI course, you will get one certificate as well. This is a certification program basically, and all engineers can opt this. All electrical, electronics or instrumentation, CS, IT students can opt this. Okay. Now let's talk about Parakram GATE 2028. There is one very important batch we are offering for those students who are preparing for next year. Those who are in their second year, those who are in their first year can plan for GATE 2028. Yes, of course, if you start early, you will gain more and more, not only in terms of marks in your semesters, but also you will get sufficient time to practice on the question. You will prepare for all engineering competitive exam, including GATE as well as engineering services. Is it okay? Engineering services preparation will take almost 1.5 years. So you need to, if you are willing to prepare for engineering services, this course is basically give you a in-depth knowledge. Now, a complete preparation program for GATE 2028, GATE, ESU as well as PSU. All public sector units are conducting those public sectors which are conducting their exams by themselves. They also have the same engineering curriculum as that for the GATE or ESC described in their portals. Is it okay? Then GATE, PSU and placement preparation is also we are offering for GATE Parakram 2028. So 2028 Parakram English batch is also there. Those students who are willing for an English batch, let me show you. So this Parakram 2028 batch is available in both English and English languages. For English batch, CS, ME, XE, Civil, Electrical, ECE, Aerospace Engineering, we are offering this English batch and the prices are in front of you. And these prices are a special offer prices for the Engineers Mahatso. As we are very happy, we have a very good ranks. Okay. Next is your batch feature. For 2028 batch feature, you will get live plus small recorded lectures. So what is that recorded lecture? A prerequisite portion of any subject is already given to you in the form of recorded. Is it okay? So you can start your journey with your particular subject which is going in your semesters as well. For GATE 2028, that improves your semester marks, makes your semester study easier, as well as you are preparing at the top level of GATE and ESC. Is it okay? So this batch is very good for those students who are planning for GATE 2028. Okay. Structured lecture planner. On day 1, you will be able to get the entire scheduled program. How, when, which subject is going to start. Is it okay? So entire things will be there. Then tech as well as non-tech coverage. For engineering services examination or for public sector units, you need non-tech portion, as well as for GATE also you are getting non-tech portion. So the entire course coverage for GATE as well as engineering services you are going to get as per the batch you are going to opt. Okay. Then topic wise practice video solution. Practice sheets are there. Suppose if you are going with one chapter, at the end of the chapter you will get one practice sheet, and in the practice sheet first you need to try to solve by your own, and then if you are not able to solve, or if you are getting any kind of difficulty, you can go and watch the video solution as well. Even if you are able to solve, then also we recommend that you need to observe the video solution once, because video solution makes you understand the concept, a hidden concept behind that particular question. Is it okay? Next is your doubt engine support. So whatever your doubt will be, every doubt is going to be answered through the doubt engine support. Okay. GATE pattern aligned questions. So this preparation is especially crafted as per your GATE 2028. If you are preparing for 2028, and for those who are preparing for 27, the particular batch is crafted for that particular GATE. Okay. See, every year there is a little shift in the topics asked in GATE. Okay. And we as a teacher able to understand, because we are in this particular field from past 20 years. So we know what particular things need to be delivered to you for this particular GATE exam. Okay. You need not to go with the entire book. It's a very small portion that you have to take. Is it okay? And that is sufficient to get very good rank. So a particular year syllabus is more relevant comparative to the older. Okay. Next is your regular test with a planned schedule. So after every chapter, or even within chapter, if one portion get completed, on every Sundays you are going to have a test where you can test what you have studied and how to apply the particular concepts onto the question. Is it okay? So that makes you in the rhythm of study. Now please come to the GATE batch plan. We are offering 3 types of plan. First one is your regular batch. In the regular batch you are going to get live classes, topic wise, video solution and doubt solving. But there are some more features which is in the some upgraded one, that is Infinity. In a Infinity you are getting Khazana. GATE Khazana is very useful for the students who are preparing for 2-year program. Okay, even for 1-year program, because sometimes a student join little bit late and unable to do the start from some new subject. So some prerequisite subjects are always required, and that will help you if you have opted Khazana, because in Khazana whatever lectures get completed, they are already uploaded and available for you in the form of Khazana. Is it okay? So it's a really Khazana for you. Okay, worthful Khazana. Now next is your GATE PYQ book. Already I told you that GATE PYQ is with video solution, and video solution will make you able to understand the soul behind the question. Okay, next is your GATE test series, one-on-one mentorship. We have mentors, the toppers, previous year toppers, they will guide you. And then interview guidance program will be there. If you are able to qualify any kind of PSU, or if you are qualifying GATE, then you need to have a interview guidance support. We will offering that particular support as well. After that, there is one more and most upgraded feature batch, that is Infinity Pro. In the Infinity Pro, you will get all the plans of Infinity. Along with that, you are going to get 3 very important things. First one is your Abhyas practice book. It's a set of 3 books, and there you will not for only engineering services plus GATE. So in this, a top level questions especially crafted to make you understand each and every concept in detail. If you are going to solve, you will be able to understand how to solve the coupled questions. Okay, coupled concept questions, so that you are able to solve. A set of 3 books you are getting in the Abhyas practice. Also you are getting free access to the 1500 batch, where we are creating 1500 new questions. Okay, for your entire GATE, and those 1500 questions itself sufficient to repeat or to do the revision of all the concept. Is it okay? They are crafted in such a way. Closed group with faculties, performance review sessions with faculties, and engineer's kit. And engineer's kit, you will get all the information of the upcoming exams, how the exams will be conducted, organizing bodies, what are the features of the particular exam, how to take the admissions in the GATE. Everything will be there in the Engineer Pro kit, as well as Pi OTT will be there. Now, one very big and very important announcement for which most of you are waited for. Someone is asking, sir, can I? Okay, I will take your doubt, Bitaji. Super 1500 GATE 2027 batch. So those students who are able to score between the marks 30 marks to 50 marks and willing to have practice more on a better question, so now this opportunity will be with you, and this batch is coming very soon. So be on to the pw.live and explore the batches. This batch is going to be announced very soon. We are launching it very soon. Okay, so 1500 batch makes your preparation to the next level. Already I said that those 1500 questions, you will be able to recall your entire GATE, all entire subjects in this 1500 question. All entire concepts will be included. Is it okay? Now next is your free rankers qualifier club. This test is going to start on 30th of August, and it covers both technical as well as non-technical. Detailed performance analysis based on the rank. Top performers can join the rankers program. A rankers program, in the rankers program you are going to get attached with the faculty directly, so you can communicate with the faculties. Okay, and video interview rounds will be there. So this rankers qualifying club, if you want to enroll yourself, it is now live. You have to just observe on the pw.live. Is it okay? Or you can observe onto your app as well. Rankers Performance Club is starting from 12th of September 2026. It's a real-time doubt solving program, competitive environment you will get. Also, if you are going to join, you will able to score good in this particular rankers club, you will get the access of super 1500 batch. Okay, live Zoom interaction with the faculties, mostly what happened na, some of the concept which you are able to solve but you have a doubt, you want to have an interaction one on one so that you can ask from the faculty, so that is possible in the live Zoom program. Weekly level up test, tips and tricks, strict guidance to be followed. जो भी आप whatever we are going to give you na, those guidance will be crafted for you only, because every different student needs a different kind of guidance for the preparation hurdles. Okay, because everyone will have different kind of hurdles. So many students we have seen in the past and we know what kind of hurdles and how you can overcome. Okay, so every different student will have different hurdles and one-on-one guidance will give you a strength to cross that particular hurdle as well. In 2027 you are also getting the test series of 2027. It is also live, starting at the rate just 899. So those students who are in the preparation mode and they want to enroll themselves in the test, please see the test series is now live. You can now analyze your mistakes subject wise, topic wise, as well as full length. Okay, and you can improve accordingly. These test series are available for ME, XE, Chemical, IN, EE, EC, ECE, DA, CS, IT, AE, Aerospace Engineering, and ES. Okay. Next is your test series feature. So in this test series feature, again, you are going to get the complete video solution. Okay. So 2027 level up test series is also there. 2027 level up test series for computer science and data science and artificial engineering is now with you, and its price is again 899, designed to boost your accuracy so that you can have more marks. See, in CS, as the number of aspirants are increasing, opportunities are increasing, number of aspirants are increasing, so competition level is also increasing. So in the 3 year of your GATE exam, you can't do any kind of mistake. So this level up program will help you to boost your accuracy. Okay, it is crafted for boosting your accuracy only. Now this level up test series is designed as per the latest GATE pattern. Full length mock test simulated actual GATE exam experience. So when you are giving this, you will feel like you are giving the actual exam only. Okay, detailed subject chapter wise, test wise performance analysis, unlimited reattempt to learn from mistakes and improve. Suppose if you have given the test series, you will be unable to finish it up. You want to give the test series once again after revising the content. It is available with you. Is it okay? You can reattempt. Designed as per the latest GATE pattern for real exam preparation, one-on-one mentorship guidance program for the better preparation. After appearance in the test series, if you found that, sir, I need to discuss with you how to improve in that particular area, that you can do in the one-to-one program. And access to test series till GATE 2027 exam. So your preparation, again, suppose if you are going with a full length test series, but you have only 50-65% of the syllabus got completed, so you can appear and you can reattempt it. You can do reattemption of the papers till 2027 to improve your practice, to practice some good questions what you are able to find out. Some questions you will be able to solve, but some questions will be there in which you got stuck. So that needs a repetition, and that you can do while reattempting. GATE 2027 level up test series, test count subject wise 39, multiple subject test 8, GATE before GATE 6, total 53 test. 53 test itself, it is you are going to have lot of questions to solve. Okay, test count in level up test series for data science and artificial intelligence, it is around 39. And this GATE before GATE, this is a full length test which give you a actual exam conditions, actual exam feeling. Is it okay? Now UPSC Engineering Services 2026. if you want to enroll, Bitaji, you can enroll. Already it is available on pw.live. If you can just type in your browser, or you can download the app pw, and you can check there. It's in the description. The links are there. Is it okay? The app links are there. UPSC ESC 2026 interview guidance program. So first of all, those students who have able to qualify engineering services exam uh, must be able to understand the importance of interview. This is not your 200 marks. Actually, these 200 marks are going to decide what particular department you are going to get. Is it okay? And it's a lot of thing. It's a lot of thing. Because actually, whatever preparation you have done, whatever paper you have attempted, already done. Now only these 200 interview marks is now in your hand. And don't think that you are going to study by yourself and just sit there and you will be able to gain much more marks which you can't expect. It is not going like that, because engineering services interview, UPSC interview is not for the only to check your knowledge. Knowledge is already tested. You are able to qualify written exam, so knowledge is already tested. It is overall personality test, how your personality is. Okay, so your behavioral test. So it needs a proper guidance. So those students who are looking for an interview guidance and able to, wants to feel the particular environment in real, you need to register yourself for the online interview. Already started from 16th of August. Offline is going to started by 25th of August. Is it okay? It is in Hotel Africa Avenue, B104, Greater Kailash 1, New Delhi. Nearest metro station, Kailash Colony. Is it okay? You need to register, and to register you have to follow the description. If you have already qualified engineering services, this interview program will help you a lot. You will gain marks. Only 10 or 20 marks in interview means lot of thing, because it can change the department. Is it okay? What you are willing for, you will be able to get that particular one. So it's very important. Now come to the interview guidance program. Little bit more features about interview guidance program. It is focused on technical questions to boost confidence, as well as mock interview with the expert panelist, academic, your personal presentation skill. We are going to guide you how to enhance that. Personalized personality development tips and insight strategies from successful rank holders. Is it okay? So this will help you a lot. You must need to enroll yourself for the interview guidance. Don't think that you will be able to do it by yourself. If you have a previous experience, very good. If you don't have a previous experience, you must need to go with the interview guidance program. Now let's talk about YouTube. Mostly students are asking, what is in free, sir? Because we are supposed to have some free content as well. Okay, so free content is also there onto the YouTube. We are going to start a free YouTube series that is going to be started from 4th of September 2026. Is it okay? So this program is for the GATE. Okay. So surprise are not yet over. So many surprises. Still, you have some more surprises. Can you guess it in your comment section? Still, already you have seen so many things what we are offering for this Engineers Mahotsav, but still there are some more very exciting surprises left out. Can you guess it? Okay, let me reveal. So, get up to 56% off on all engineering services GATE batches for 2027, 28 and 29. So those students who are in first year, this offer means a lot, because every year there is some little bit appreciation. Is it okay? Because the things are going to be expensive. You all know about how this entire things will work. So this offer and this surprise is really a biggest one for all students who are planning for 2028, 29 and 2027. So this offer is for the Engineers Mahotsav. And if you observe this exclusive discount for Parakram English batch for EE, EC, Civil, ME, CS, it is around 7,499 now. It's a regular for Infinity and Pro. You can watch on your app only. Parakram 2.0 GATE 2027 batch C Aerospace Engineering, and now the Aerospace Engineering price is further reduced. It will be now only 11,999. Okay. Now let's talk about exclusive discount for GATE 2027 test series. Already I told you that test series is discounted up from 2000 to just 899. For CSIT level up also cost you just 899. So there are lot of things, and for every student program will be there. If you are planning for 2029, then also in this session I have told you many things which is for you. If you are preparing for 2028, then also for 2027 test series are there. YouTube courses, revision courses will be there for those students who are just watching us on YouTube and preparing because of any reason. We are providing to them as well very important entire subject YouTube series. Is it okay? And that too going to start from the September onward. Now I just wanted to ask you something. Are you ready for your preparation now? Are you ready for your preparation now? So what is the first step that you have to take? If you not yet started, you need to start your preparation from today only. If you start your preparation, if you move your first step, then other steps are automatically moved by you, and ultimately you will reach to your dream, whether it will be a PSU, IIT or your MTech program. Is it okay? So if you have not yet started, this is the best time. Take your first step and move towards your dream. So lots of love. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. If you have any doubt, please feel free to connect us. The links of the different Telegram channels are already in the description, and you can even connect to Varun sir PW on the Telegram group. Okay. So thank you everyone. Lots of love. Good night.